Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by warming the engine briefly so oil flows. This matters because warm oil evacuates faster and carries contaminants. Once warm, turn off the engine and locate the drain bolt under the crank. Use a 12 mm wrench and a container rated for 2 liters. Loosen the bolt slowly to control the flow. Make sure to remove the filler cap on the top to allow air in. This accelerates draining and prevents splashing as oil exits. Once drained, you'll remove the side panel to access the cartridge filter housing. This gives you clearance to work safely. Unscrew the filter cap, pull out the old element, and wipe the mating surface clean. Any debris prevents a proper seal. Before reinstalling, coat the new filter's rubber seal with fresh oil to ensure a tight fit. This both aids sealing and prevents the seal from twisting during torque. Reassemble the cap finger tight, then quarter turn with a tool to spec. Now you refill through the oil filler with 0.9 liters of 10W40, pour slowly and check the dipstick or sight window so you don't overfill. Once filled, start the engine for 30 seconds to circulate oil, then shut off and recheck the level, topping as needed. Make sure there are no drips at the drain bolt or filter cap. If you see low pressure or leaks, immediately retorque the bolts to spec, replace a damaged gasket, and repeat checks until sealed and stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.